Students, we will start with the equations of motion by graphical method today. Okay. Now, when an object is moving along a straight line with uniform acceleration, there are a set of equations known as equations of motion. These are the three equations. Okay. So today we are going to see these three equations one by one. Okay. Now, before that we have to see a diagram, and then you have to understand the diagram first. Okay. Now the same diagram which is given on your textbook, figure 8.8, I've drawn in this notebook. Okay. Now you understand this diagram. On the y-axis you have got velocity, on the x-axis you have got time. Okay. Now if you can see, this is our graph. Okay. Now that is from A to B. Okay. Now this is your initial velocity u, this is your final velocity v. Okay, and this is the time taken by the object. Okay. Now if you see this, you have got the first equation, velocity time relation equation. Okay. Now for that you need first u, that is initial velocity. Now this initial velocity is OA. Okay. Now here this we have made lines for our convenience to prove the equation. Can you see these dotted lines? They are made by us for the convenience of the equation, to prove the equation. Okay. So this measurement is equal to this measurement. This measurement is equal to this measurement. This and this measurements are same. Okay. So OC is equal to AD is equal to EB. Similarly, A is equal to BD. Similarly, OA is equal to DC. Okay. So understand this diagram properly. With that we start proving. The first one, u is equal to initial velocity. Now initial velocity is OA, that is u. Okay. Now you can also take it as DC, OA and DC. Next is V. Now this, that is the final velocity. That is, you can take it as OE or BC. OE or BC. Okay. Now time. Now if you see the time, it is OC or AD or BE. So you understood this? Okay. Now we'll start with the first equation. You all of us know that acceleration is final velocity minus initial velocity upon time taken. Okay. Now V. Okay. Now V is equal to BC. Okay. U is equal to CD upon T. Okay. So if I see the diagram here, this is BC, this is CD. So BC minus CD gives you what? This. That is BD. Okay. So BD upon T. Now T is what? It can be OC, AD, BE. So BD upon AD or BD upon OC. Okay. So A is equal to BD upon T, or BD is equal to AT, cross multiplication. Okay. That is A into T. Now BD is equal to what? BC minus CD. That is what we have seen in this graph. See, this is BD. How did you get BD? BC minus DC. Okay. So that is what is written here. BC minus DC. That is V minus U. So substituting this value of BD, we get V minus U. So if I'll substitute this here. So I get V minus U. Okay. In this equation. Okay. If this equation. Okay. BD value, if I substitute V minus U, I get V minus U is equal to AT. Okay. And if I take U on this side, it is V is equal to U plus AT. Okay. Now we continue with the next equation. Now this is equation number 2. Now equation number 2 is position versus time relation. Okay. Now here, if you see again, the distance traveled S. If you remember the graphs, okay, this is the distance traveled by the body. That is area of this rectangle plus area of this square. Okay. Now area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. That is OA into DC, OC or DC. Okay. That is the area of rectangle. Okay. Now area of triangle is half base into height. Now half into, this is your base, this is your height, that is BD. Okay. Now OA is equal to U, if you remember this. You turn the page and see here OA is equal to U. Okay, so in place of OA you can write U. OC is equal to AD. Now this and this is equal to time, that is T. And BD is equal to, we have proven that BD is equal to 80 here. Okay. So now if you replace all these things here, it will be U multiplied by T plus half T into 80. Okay. If you replace all these things by this. Okay. So you get UT is equal to half AT square. That is the next equation. Okay. The third equation is position velocity equation. Now again, S is the area of trapezium. All of us know this is a trapezium. Can you see these two parallel sides? Okay, and this. So this is actually it's a trapezium. Okay, but area of trapezium is OA plus BC multiplied by OC divided by 2. This is the formula for the area of trapezium. Okay. Now we have to substitute the value of OA as U, BC as V and OC as T, that we all know. Okay. So if when you substitute you get this equation. Okay. Now we know that V minus U upon T is equal to acceleration. Okay. So V minus U is equal to AT if you take T here. Okay. So that is what we have already seen. So T is equal to V minus U, take the A down here. So V minus U upon A is equal to T. Now substitute this value in this equation. So substituting the value of T in equation 1, what we get is U plus V multiplied by, here we put this. So V minus U, already 2 is down there and A is down there. So 2A. Okay. Now if you remember your identity A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So U plus V multiplied by V minus U. Okay. So here this is also V plus U. That's same. V plus U or U minus. So you will have V square minus U square using this identity upon 2A. Now you take this side. So you have 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. Thank you.